So here is the Frigidaire Gallery stackable washer dryer system. If you've got the same thing, you may have the same problem. It's 7 years old, 2001, and it was purchased. Let's see what happens when I put it on spin. It's got a brick in there. There you go. I got to replace all that now. They're telling me the cost should be, just for parts, $400 to $500. $400 to $500 for a $700 unit, not including the labor. A new unit would be probably close to $700. Here's my predicament. That's still good. The dryer's still good. So whatever I do, I have to get it so it'll mount on top of a new washer. How easy will that be? Well, come and take a trip with me. Let's find out. I'm going to pull all this out of the closet and see how it goes. Okay, I've disconnected everything and turned it around. You can see that light brown stain. That's kind of a concern thing, as I read a lot about these dryers overheating and causing fire because not of lint but rather of a heating element. So I might want to bring that up. There's the washer sitting on top. It's got these two brackets that holds it in place to the bottom, the washer. So the dryer, if I buy a new washer, I have to make sure that that fits or that works with this application. Who knows, because it didn't work really well the first time I put it in. If I recall, I had to jimmy it. It's supposed to go in here. Of course, the workmanship is putting it over here and over here from here. So these should be over here. The total design of this is not really 100%. I've disconnected the hoses. There's the water hoses. So I'm going to take that panel off. It's probably got a number of screws, and then once I'm inside I'll show you what's going on in there. There's the spindle. I don't know if that's, I guess that's the bearing grease. Maybe that's where all that problems are occurring. The bearing might be broken. But if you spin it, you can hear the plastic. Something inside. Not happy. Okay, so now the whole unit is out of the closet. Took the cables apart. They lead to there. And if you see under there, those are the four screw locations where the motor goes. It's pretty straight. Don't let me scare you off with all these technical terms. The plastic thingy is right up there. There's the big hose location. There's the big rubber hose that attaches to the basket drum. A little rag there to catch up smelly water. The next step is to take this boot off. I'm going to take two screws off to take the control panel out, and then take the shocks and the shocks out. Okay, here is the inner tub assembly taken out. There's all the scuffing that goes on when the thing breaks and rubs up against there's the top hole. These screws, nice engineering there. Those screws stick out and they scuffed the inside pretty good. There's the gasket, still in pretty good shape. There it is. So here's the outer, or the back drum. That's the inside. There's all the screw scrapes from when the drum scraped it. So what caused this to fail? So look at this spider. There's a broken spider that caused it to fail. The drum failed. It's got a 25-year warranty. What do you want to bet? They're not going to cover it for some reason. That drum is broken. I need a new one. And that's why. Now I understand this metal is probably corroding because it's touching stainless steel. It's aluminum. That's broken. That's broken. And that's broken. Caused all that damage. Not nice. Thank you, Frigidaire, for giving me the crappiest piece of equipment you could imagine. $700, probably more like $800 or $900 down the drain.